जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूं 1970 जून 19, तब से मैं सिस्टम के अंदर बैठा हूं। मैं सिस्टम को अंदर से समझता हूं। मुझसे आप सिस्टम नहीं छुपा सकते। कैसे चलता है, किसको फेवर करता है, किस प्रकार से फेवर करता है, किसकी रक्षा करता है, किसको अटैक करता है, ये सब मुझे मालूम है, दिखता है कि मैं उसके अंदर से आया हूं। प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस में जब दादी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी तब था, पापा थे, मनमोहन सिंह जी थे, तब भी मैं दादी चाहता था, तो मुझे सिस्टम अंदर से। और मैं आपको कह रहा हूं, सिस्टम इज अलाइंड अगेंस्ट लोअर।
These remarks by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, where he admitted the inherent biases within the system, reignited a critical discussion about the long-standing inequities faced by the marginalized communities in the country. Rahul Gandhi seemed to have acknowledged something by accident. However, it sheds light on the harsh reality that after independence, the system that the Congress Party established institutionalized and perpetuated discrimination against the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward groups. Otherwise, there is no other reason that they will face discrimination even after 75 years of independence. There are long-standing issues with the system that were never adequately addressed while Congress was in power. Congress leaders used these communities as their vote banks for years while making them suffer consistently to ensure they did not have another choice but to vote for them. They were hoping that Congress would take them out of their misery, but it never happened. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also replied to Rahul Gandhi during a public meeting given the ongoing Lok Sabha elections 2024. Prime Minister Modi said that whatever Rahul has said is true. The system created by the Congress Party destroyed generations of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and OBC. Prime Minister Modi also said that sometimes while speaking lies, the truth comes out of the Shehzada's mouth. Indeed, Rahul Gandhi has confessed a big truth. He has admitted that the system that was formed during his grandmother's, his father's, and his mother's time was severely against the Dalits, backward castes, and Adivasis. This system of the Congress destroyed the generations of ST, SC, and OBCs. Everyone knows that it was this Congress party that ruled the nation for 60 years since independence. The system crafted by Congress in the name of secularism and equality favored certain groups while systematically marginalizing others. The irony is that with his constant reference to the caste census, Rahul Gandhi now seeks to further divide society along religious and caste lines. Gandhi spent decades immersed in caste politics, and the Prince of the Congress is carrying on the tradition.